Hi guys, while I'm looking for the story, which is not too long, not too short for book club meeting, I came across this one that interested me, and I think the story is going to be cute. I haven't read yet. I just read the title, The Turtle and the Monkey. That remind to my animals, my pet. Turtle, there's Bucky, and monkey is the cat. Okay, let's read a little bit, and then I will come back to my searching for the story that good for the book club. Okay, I read it at first time with you here. The Turtle and the Monkey. A turtle went to a shop. He said to the shopkeeper, "Please give me some peanuts. I want to give them to my children. They are hungry." The shopkeeper took a small bag of peanuts. He gave it to the turtle. The turtle gave him money for it. The turtle took the bag. He started to walk to his house. On the way, he felt thirsty. He put the bag near the road. Then he went to look for water. A monkey was coming down the road. He saw the bag of peanuts. "Oh, what luck! He said, "I shall have lots of peanuts to eat." The monkey picked up the bag. Then he climbed up a tree and began to eat the peanuts. The turtle drank some water and came back, but he could not find the bag of peanuts. Then he heard a sound. Grup, 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 grup. I try to make the sound like the monkey chewing peanuts. He looked up and saw a monkey sitting in the tree. He was eating the peanuts. "Give me my bag of peanuts," said the turtle to the monkey. "It is mine. I paid money for it." "No," said the monkey. "I found the bag, so it is mine." "Please give me the bag," the turtle said again. "My children are hungry and I want to give them these peanuts to eat." "I shall not give you the bag," the monkey said again. "I found it, so it is mine. I am going to eat peanuts." The monkey had a long tail. It was hanging down. The turtle cut the tail. He gave it a big bite. "Ouch!" The monkey cried loudly. He pulled his tail, but the turtle would not let go. The monkey then drew down the bag of peanuts. "Here, take your peanuts," he said. "Let go of my tail now." The turtle left the monkey's tail and picked up the bag of peanuts. He went home and said, "Children, come and see what I have got for you." The children came running. They saw the bag of peanuts and were very happy. They all had a good feed of peanuts.